Hi, and welcome to my first Crowdtap unboxing video. Alright, so for this unboxing, I'm having a Weight Watchers party. Included in this are red, pinkish journals and blue journals, a background, some decorations for the table, pens that say Ready, Set, Glow, and then these say Love Growing and Glowing. They're adorable. This is my spa bag. I love it. There's so much stuff in there. 2 beach balls. There's also a Weight Watchers cookbook, but I have that in the kitchen. I was hand-picked. And this is the selfie stick. Sorry, just 1 minute. And that says, capture your glow moment. So awesome. We're going to do this party today, and hopefully everyone will enjoy it and get healthy. Oh, also, there are tattoos. Keep glowing? Yeah, that's what it looks like, they say. Awesomeness. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and looking forward to shoot more. Thank you for viewing. Crowdtap. Unbox me. Thanks. Bye.